Oh, I gotta say though, I did go to a cat cafe one of the days. Except we went there at like 3 p.m. or something. And I will tell you guys, don't go to cat cafes at 3 p.m. Because all the cats will be taking a nap. PN. I just wanted to pet and play with the cats, but they were all sleeping. And so, you know, I was like very carefully petting one of them when they were sleeping, and one of them literally opened their eyes, stared at me, and went, and then went back to sleep. Emotional damage. When I want an orange cat, I just want a cat that doesn't reject me. Flair got new pair of kittens. Perfect excuse to come over with the housewarming gift. I mean, is it odd if I just go, "Hi, Senpai, can I go see your cat?" I'm sure she'll invite you over if she sees this clip. As you can see. What if I'm just like, I ask her and she's like, okay. And then I get to her place and I'll be like, "Senpai, where are the cats?" And then she goes, "Me." Sumimasen. Sumimasen.